Have you ever felt like a stranger in your own body? You sleep but you're tired, you eat well but you're bloated, your mind feels cloudy no matter what you do. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your gut may be working against you and how to flip the script in under 60 seconds a day. It almost feels like something else is pulling the strings behind the scenes. Here's the truth, you're not crazy, and you're not just getting old. Many people today are fighting a silent, invisible war against microscopic invaders that thrive on stress, sugar, and ultra-processed foods. Today on the Healthy Living series, we're not talking about vague immune support. We're talking about reclaiming your inside world, using a powerful alliance of two ancient remedies that were never meant to work alone. This is the Invisible Alliance. First, meet the warrior, oil of oregano, not the herb on your pizza, the concentrated oil. This is liquid fire. Its power comes from a compound called Carvacrol. Carvacrol doesn't politely discourage bacteria, yeast, or parasites. It breaks down their cell membranes. It dismantles their defenses. Think about it. Do you really want unwanted squatters living rent-free in your body, stealing nutrients and draining your energy? Oregano oil serves an eviction notice they cannot ignore. But here's where most people get it wrong. An army needs more than brute force. It needs strategy. Enter black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa. The ancient world called it the cure for everything but death. And the key compound here is thymoquinone. While oregano oil attacks the invaders, black seed oil does something equally important. It calms inflammation, supports the liver, and teaches your immune system to respond intelligently, not react blindly. Most people fail parasite protocols not because the herbs don't work, but because they kill too fast without support. That's why this alliance matters. When oregano oil destroys a parasite, that parasite releases toxins. This is the die-off effect, and it can make people feel worse before they feel better. But when black seed oil is used at the same time, it helps neutralize those toxins, protect your tissues, and soothe the battlefield. Oregano breaks the enemy line. Black seed oil secures the victory and helps rebuild. Together, they create an environment where dysfunction can't thrive. This is about taking your body back. Now listen carefully. These are potent tools. You can't just guess with them. That's why I'm giving you the exact morning armor protocol. And yes, it includes 2 unexpected kitchen ingredients. Grab a pen. This is done first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, 4 to 5 days a week. Rest on weekends. Take 1 tablespoon of raw organic Manuka honey. Add 2 to 3 drops of high-quality oil of oregano. This is not cooking oil. Add half a teaspoon of black seed oil. Finish with a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix it on the spoon and take it. The honey acts as a prebiotic carrier, helping deliver those oils deep into the gut. The cayenne opens circulation and accelerates absorption. Fair warning, this will wake you up faster than coffee. It's a message to your body and anything that doesn't belong there that you are in charge today. Try this alliance for 2 weeks. Most people are shocked by the clarity, energy, and lightness they feel when their inside world finally comes into balance. Subscribe if you're done guessing and ready to understand your body. Next time I'll show you the one mistake that can make powerful herbs backfire. Until then, take your health back.